Hey everyone, welcome back to Branco AutoFix. If you've been having trouble starting your car or noticed a drop in performance, you might be dealing with a bad fuel pump. In today's video, I'm giving you a complete guide to the symptoms of a failing fuel pump. Let's get started. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for regular expert auto tips that will save you time and money. First, let's quickly understand what a fuel pump does. It's the heart of your fuel system, pumping fuel from the tank to the engine at the right pressure. Without it, your car simply can't run. Symptom 1. Difficulty starting the engine. A weak or failing fuel pump might not be able to deliver enough fuel, making your car take longer to start or not start at all. Symptom 2. Engine stalling. If your engine suddenly cuts out, especially under load, it's a sign that your fuel pump isn't maintaining consistent fuel pressure. Symptom 3. Loss of power under load. If your car struggles to accelerate, climb hills, or tow, it could be because the fuel pump isn't delivering enough fuel to match the engine's demand. Additionally, the fuel pump's performance can decrease at high temperatures, further limiting its ability to supply adequate fuel to the engine, especially during prolonged driving or in hot weather conditions. Symptom 4. Engine sputtering at high speeds. A failing fuel pump might not be able to keep up when you're driving fast, causing the engine to misfire or hesitate. Symptom 5. Noisy fuel pump. If you hear a high-pitched whining or humming sound from your fuel tank, it could be a sign that your fuel pump is wearing out. Symptom 6. Poor fuel efficiency. A failing fuel pump might not regulate fuel pressure properly, causing your engine to consume more fuel than it should. And finally, Symptom 7. The car won't start at all. If the fuel pump completely fails, your engine won't get any fuel, leaving you stranded. So, those are the key symptoms of a bad fuel pump. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's crucial to diagnose the problem right away. Ignoring it could leave you stranded or even damage your engine. Quick maintenance tip. A clogged fuel filter can mimic some of these symptoms, so before replacing your fuel pump, always check and replace your fuel filter if needed. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more automotive tips. And remember, if you want detailed tutorials on car repairs, this is the place to be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on AutoFix.